guys, welcome to my channel. I think if you've been watching some of my videos from Scotland, I thought I'd just show you where I've been staying. So up here I got my bed, nice and cozy. Got the little kitchen, oven works perfectly. The camera, got a little fridge. Then we've got a little stove to get things nice and toasty. I got the fire going. Really nice. And then you got this little nook here, which is great just to relax, you know, after hiking for the day. Yeah, it's the tour. It's not much, but it's nice and cozy. So now at least you know where I've been staying.